Hey guys!
Hi!
What's up? What's up?
Really good. I want to explode
What is that, Hulyan?
my giant bomb.
Giant ball. It's a barrel.
It's a bomb.
Oh no!
That's the other way to go.
Yeah. An RC Monster Jam. Who is that? Oh, it's Zombie. Monster Jam Truck Zombie. Yay! Is that your sword, Julian?
Yeah.
That's a bowling pin, not a sword. Yeah. Wow, Monster Jam Truck Zombie. Nice. Whoa, it's fast. Look at that face.
Oh,
Yeah,
Tiger
hi.
ran over me.
Scary
My
face. Okay, run over Hulyan. Yeah. Oh, backflip. Backflip. Whoa. Oh, mommy, hit that. Oh, no. Oh, it's still moving. It's still running. Yeah. Awesomeness. Woo. Mommy, hit the crash sound pad.
Yeah.
There. Put it in the middle of the floor, mommy.
Wait. And ta-da!
Taran. Zombie mode. Go, mommy.
Ah! Oh yeah. Fire torpedoes.
Torpedoes.
Launching torpedoes. No!
Yeah.
Water
It's invincible, Hulyan. It's unbreakable.
Again, the super dog.
Monster Jam. Oh, see? It's invincible. It's unbreakable. Too much craziness, Hulyan. Yay! Yay! It still runs.
It's not split.
Oh no! Stand it up, Hulyan.
Okay.
Stand it up. Monster Jam Zombie. Hulyan, are the tires soft?
Yeah, very soft.
Oh yeah, soft tires for traction. Oh yeah. Mommy, it's good for outdoor driving
Yeah,
because the tires are soft.
and it's too fast.
Yeah, it's fast.
Yes, it is too much space.
We should bring it to the park.
Or maybe to the backyard.
Yeah.
Go to the park.
Yeah. Ah.
Fire launching.
Zombie.
Fire.
Silly boy.
Super sister jump.
So, this is the box. Full function RC and IC El Toro Loco, Grave Digger and Zombie. Reverse, mommy. Hey, silly boy. Too much craziness.
And missiles are good.
You see, it says on the box, soft grip tires.
Whoa.
Dual joystick controller, full function RC. Hey, 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 hey. It's too much, Hulyan. Hulyan, behave. Behave, Hulyan. Oh! Look! It flipped! Too much craziness.
I tried torpedoes.
You're so crazy, Hulyan. Mommy's the police woman.
Oh yeah.
Arrest that kid. He's too crazy. Okay, let him go, Mommy. Let him go. He's too crazy. Stand it up, please. So, Mommy Rhea, are you going to hit those bowling pins?
Yeah.
Alright, let's get it on! Yeah! Awesomeness, mayhem! Monster Jam Truck Zombie! Hit the cars, Mommy! And the truck! The trailer truck! Boom! Yeah! Yeah. The trailer truck, Mommy. Go, Mommy. Yeah. Woohoo. Yeah, the bowling pins, Mommy. Hit the bowling pins! Yeah! More! 3 more bowling pins standing up! Yeah! Monster Jam Zombie! Nice! Woohoo! Okay, Mommy, go! Yeah! Woohoo! Alright, good job, Mommy. Yeah. Go, Mommy. Yeah. Break that truck apart, Mommy. Go. Yeah. Go. Yeah. Ooh, it's fast. Ooh, ducky ducky. You hit the ducky ducky. What happened? Oh, okay. Okay, Mommy, go! Yeah. Woo! There's one more bowling pin standing up. It got stuck again. Okay. Yeah. Woohoo. Craziness. Can you do a 360 spin? A 360 donut? Can you? No, you can't. Ouch. Okay, Mommy, go! Alright. One more bowling pin. Hit it. Yeah. Woo. Well, alright, kids, there you have it. We are going to sign off now. Mommy Rhea and I, and Hulyan, of course. We are going to see you on the next video. Bye, zombie. Bye. Yeah. Hulyan and Maya's outreach program. Food, rubber sleepers, and school supplies were given away to 500 children in Malabon City, Philippines.
Hulyan and Maya.
Ano daw?
Hulyan and Maya. Sabihin nyo, thank you Hulyan and Maya. Sabay-sabay